Bajpayee.
Kartikeya Bajpayee.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I, Kartikeya Bajpayee of grade 8th is here to recite a poem on the topic A Minor Bird by Robert Frost. I wish the bird would fly away and not sing by my house all the day. Have clapped my hands by him at the door when it seemed as if I could bear no more. The fault must partly have been in me, and the bird was not to be blamed for his key. And of course, there must be something wrong in wanting to silence any song. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Okay, Kartikeya.
Good, very good.
Sorry. Yes, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Are
Good
you
afternoon,
here?
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon to sir also. Manmohan sir is
dear.
also there.
Hello,
Good
Manmohan
afternoon,
sir is
Manmohan
also
sir.
joined.
I am just
Good
an
afternoon, dear.
observer.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, start.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Adit Vikram Singh of 8th A. I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is On Killing a Tree, which is composed by Keith Patel. So, it takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of knife will do it. It has grown slowly by consuming the earth, rising out and feeding and upon its rust and absorbing the years of sunlight, air, and water. And out of the first, the leprous hide and sprouting leaf. So, a hack and chop the alone will not do it. Not so much pain can do it. The bleeding part will heal, and from close to the ground will again rise into the twangy curled leaves. Miniature works, which are unchecked, will expand again into the former size. Then the the root has to be pulled out, snapped out entirely, or it to be pulled out of from the earth cave. Strength of earth, then the strength of tree exposed. Then the matter of scorching, choking, and then the twisting, browning, hardening, withering. Then it is done. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Aditya, thank you. Anshika.
Thank you.
Anshika.
Anshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Come, beta.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anshika Singh from grade 8B.
Wait.
Wait, beta,
Anshika,
wait.
face.
First, switch on your
Your
camera.
face. Anshika, your face.
Ma'am, now it's okay.
Yes. Yes, okay. Ma'am is
Good
joined.
morning,
Our principal
everyone.
ma'am
My
is
name
also
is
joined.
Anshika.
Say good afternoon to her. Principal ma'am is joined.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
To her.
Good
Good
morning.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Anshika Singh from grade 8B. Today I am going to recite the poem on After the Rains by on Water Bridge, where we sing about the tears to my eyes.
A lot of people
Ma'am,
here.
it's coming.
Voice is not clear.
Lot of echo. Oh,
Rest of you mute your mics, everybody. Now start, Anshika, again.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anshika Singh.
ma'am, same problem.
Some problem with
What?
volume only.
So difficult to listen. So,
Yes, Anshika. Try again.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ma'am, it's coming double.
It's echoing.
ma'am,
What to do?
very difficult.
Very difficult to hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Anshika, try again, beta.
Good everyone. My name is Anshika Singh from grade 8B. Today I am going to.
Anshika came outside. Please came
Ma'am,
outside.
it's coming double now.
Try to came outside in the lawn or somewhere in the roof.
Who's by name Jiten Singh? Mute your mic. Acha, you are only, Anshika. Okay. No, you don't mute your mic. Anshika. Kavya, mute your mic, beta. Paridhi. Beta, mute your mic, Paridhi. Anshika, start.
Good afternoon, everyone. Rashika Singh from grade 8B. Today I am going to read the poem On After the Lynch by Wendy Cope. On water, the tears to my eyes. I wipe them away with a black woolly cloth and try not to notice I have fallen in love. On Waterloo Bridge, I am trying to think this night. High on charm and drink. But the jokes box inside me is playing a song that is something different. And when was it wrong? On Waterloo Bridge with the wind in my hair. I'm tempted to escape. This is a fool. I don't care. The head is his bed, but the heel is the boss. I admit it before I halfway across. Thank you.
Okay, Anshika. Next is Bhumika. Bhumika, can you hear beta? Bhumika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Start.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon to everyone. Today I'm Bhumika Singh of grade 8 and today I'm here to recite the poem Believe Make Me Run Away from Those Who Love Me Anyway. You put me down into the vanity, blindfolded me for every reality. I thought I was not good enough, made my existence so tough. Oh fear, now I realize it was all a bluff. And you have already played enough. I lost many opportunities and now that I am sure of my priorities. I believe I will break through as life always gives me a next chance to you. Remember to rise up and it's okay to fall down. This world around you cannot define you at all. Be courageous, have an ambition. Be ready to go beyond every limitation. Building a wall of fear will keep you in the dark forever. Keeping you known of what you are capable of. Thank you.
Okay, very nice, Bhumika. Kanishka.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. A very pleasant afternoon to everyone. I am Kanishka Agrawal of grade 8B. Today I am here to recite a poem, Fire and Ice by Robert Frost. Fire and Ice is a short poem written by Robert Frost. The poet refers to true prediction of how the world will end. So let's start. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I have tasted and desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if I had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice, it's also great and would suffice. I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice, it's also great and would suffice. Thank you and a wonderful day ahead.
Okay, Kanishka, thank you. Now, who is left? Paridhi. You try again, beta. Paridhi?
Ma'am, Paridhi and Khushi.
Yes, Khushi is not there. Khushi? Khushi, are you here? No.
Khushi is not in the meeting, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm here.
Yes, you speak.
Khushi, are you here, beta?
She's Paridhi.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Paridhi, beta. Fine. Beta, you start your presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am here with a beautiful poem. So my poem title is Life is a Game. Life is a game with a glorious prize. If we can only play it right, it is give and take, wills and brave. And often it's end in a fight. But he surely wins who honestly tries.
He can never despair who is fair. How are you playing the game? Do you wilt and why? If you fail to win, in the manner you think you're due. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Okay, then now it's everybody is done, I suppose.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Khushi,
Okay, children.
Khushi is out of the meeting, na?
Khushi is not in the meeting. She's absent.
Okay. Then let me mark her absent. Ma'am, all I presented, na? Apart from these two,
Yes, yes, all,
Pihu Gupta.
yes. Pihu and Khushi, except Pihu and Khushi, everybody is done.
Ji.
Huh.
So we can stop the meeting.
Yes, yes. Okay,
So
children.
I will be sending you the mark sheet after taking my my
Okay,
competition.
Okay.
In the evening, ma'am.
So, children, you will be receiving the results shortly. Okay, for now, goodbye.
Goodbye, dear
everyone.
children.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Thank you, dear, for your active participation. Thank you.
Like,
Thank you, ma'am.